Have you ever noticed that few things seem to happen almost instantly while others are taking forever? You keep manifesting, you keep scripting, visualizing, affirming, but nothing seems to showing up. If you ever felt that way, please comment, I trust. The truth is, it's not because your manifestation is not working. The law of attraction is always working 24 by 7. More often, there are few things that are getting in the way that we don't even realize. Today, I'm going to share three biggest manifestation blocks that are generally happening with most of the people and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Rushali. I'm manifestation and law of attraction coach and welcome to my channel. I'm here to guide you on manifestation, law of attraction, meditation, subconscious mind work, and lot more. My goal is to help you remove limiting beliefs, hidden blocks, and become the version of yourself that is ready to receive more. So let's get into it. Why does some manifestation feel to happen so easily while others are taking forever? It's not like one desire is easier to manifest than other. And it's not like universe likes some people and doesn't like other people. Universe law of attraction never discriminates. Most of the time, we are unknowingly getting into our own way. Let's talk about the three biggest reasons why. The first block is your belief system. If your manifestation hasn't arrived yet, most probably your beliefs are working against you. Let's say you are trying to manifest more money and you start affirming, I'm rich, I'm wealthy. But deep down, you feel that money is hard to earn. I never have enough. Rich people are so lucky. Can you see the difference? Part of you wants more money, while another part of you doesn't really believe it's possible. One of the best thing you can do is grab a journal and start writing down your thoughts, your beliefs, your emotions around the thing you are trying to manifest. Don't filter it. Write down your doubts, your feelings, your beliefs, and your frustrations. The stories you have been telling yourself about it or others have been telling you all along your life. And then ask the question, where did it come from? Who taught me this? Is it really true? Because you can change the belief only when you are aware of it. I would probably say it like this on camera. For example, if you have been telling yourself that money is hard to earn, just try repeating it to yourself that money comes to me in easy way. Once you are become aware of your belief, you can start changing it. Block number two is the big one. You are too focused on timing. We live in a world where everything is fast. We have instant food deliveries, we have online ordering systems, streaming, instant messages. We are used to get things right away. But it's not just the technology. Since we were kids, we have been taught to think on a timeline. Think about it. You go to school for certain number of years and then we get a degree after so many years. We work on a job for a whole month and we get paycheck on this date. We are constantly taught that everything should happen on timelines. So when it comes to manifestation, many people come to me and ask when it's going to happen, how much more time it is going to take. But manifestation doesn't always follow the timelines we have created in our minds. And that's where the frustration begins. Manifestation is a co-creation process with the universe. Your job is to get clear what you want and believe it's really possible and then take inspire action when needed. The universe's job is to handle the rest of the things, the when, the how, the people, the opportunities, the unexpected paths that bring your desire into reality. The more you try to control all these things, the more resistance you create. So if you find yourself in this situation, just try saying it yourself. Everything meant for me comes at the right time. Sometimes what you desire is ready, but you are not the one who is ready. Block number three is surrender, and this is where most people are stuck. You have done your affirmations, visualizations, you have worked on your belief systems, and you are clear on what you want. But then you keep checking that is it really possible? Is it really happening? Is it really working? That's not surrender. Surrender is not about giving up on your desire. Surrender is trusting that it's on its way. Think about it. If you truly believe that your manifestation is on its way, would you be spending all day worrying about it? Probably not. You would relax, you would trust, you would continue living your life happily. That's what surrender feels like. once you have done your part of the work, there comes a point where you have to let go. Stop forcing, stop chasing, stop trying to control every little thing. The more you try to control, the more resistance you create. The more you surrender, the more you are creating space to receive. I would like to know which of these three blocks resonated with you most. Let me know in the comments. So if your manifestation is not showing up, don't assume it's not working. Take a closer look at three areas. First is your belief system. Second, your relationship with the timing. And third, your ability to surrender. Because most of the manifestation struggles can be traced out to one of these three things. Manifestation is all about getting clear on what you want, believe it's really possible, take inspired action, and allow universe to do its part. The universe always provides. The law of attraction is always working. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.